Molweni. In this video, let us look at clothing. Impahla. Impahla. And first of all, men's wear. Impahla zendoda. So here we are going to look at garments and also colors and also length of sleeve, etc. So in this little picture we have ihembe eblue. Ihembe, of course, a shirt. Ihembe eblue, blue shirt. Ihembe ebomvu, a red shirt. Ihembe eluhlaza, eluhlaza, a green shirt. Ihembe emfusa, emfusa, purple shirt. There's another purple shirt there but not labeled. Here we have ihembe, and it is a yellow shirt, and there are three acceptable words for yellow. Ihembe elubelu, lubelu, a golden yellow color. Ekheli, ekheli, yellow from Afrikaans geel, and yellow, a yellow shirt. Here we have a white shirt, Ihembe emhlophe, emhlophe, a grey shirt with long sleeves. Ihembe engwevu, that's a grey shirt. Enemikono, imikono are sleeves, emide, long. So a grey shirt with long sleeves. Enemikono, emide. And here we have a striped shirt with short sleeves. Ihembe enemica, enemica. Imica are stripes. Or check, I suppose if you wanted to call it a checked shirt. Enemikono emifuchane, fuchane being short. Long trousers, ibulukwe, the word for trousers, ende. Long trousers, ibulukwe ende, also possibly known as ijini, a pair of jeans. Shorts, ibulukwe emfuchane. Ibulukwe emfuchane, short trousers, or also known as ishoti, ishoti. A t-shirt, isikipa, isikipa. Jersey, ijezi, ijezi. Lumberjacket, isilamba, isilamba. A jacket, perhaps a leather jacket. Ibhayityi, ibhayityi, ibhayityi. And here we have shoes, and they are brown shoes. So this would be then izihlangu ezibrawuni, izihlangu ezibrawuni. So after the ezi, you could then insert the color of any shoe that you might have. So if they were perhaps black shoes, you would have ezimnyama, ezimnyama. Socks, ikawusi, ikawusi. Some items of ladies' wear. A dress, ilokhwe, ilokhwe. A blouse, iblawuzi, iblawuzi. A skirt, isiketi, isiketi. A scarf, isikafu, isikafu. A coat, idyasi, idyasi. And a belt, ibelti, or ibhante. So ilokhwe, isiketi, idyasi, ibelti or ibhanti, isikafu, and iblawuzi. And they make up iimpahla zomfazi. Iimpahla zomfazi. Now the associated verbs, the verbs you will associate with clothing are to wear and of course to take off. So to wear, ukunxiba, and to take off, ukukhulula. So a little sentence. Ndinxiba ijezi ebusika xa kubanda. I wear a jersey ebusika in the winter, xa kubanda, when it is cold. The opposite. Ndinxiba, I wear ihempe enemikhono emifutshane. Ihempe enemikhono emifutshane, a shirt, short sleeve shirt, ehlotyeni, in the summer, xa kushushu. Nxiba, khulula. Thenga, we buy clothes. Ndithenga iimpahla kwa Edgar's. I buy clothes at Edgar's. And I might want to buy a green shirt. Ndifuna ukuthenga, I want to buy ihempe eluhlaza, a green shirt. The price. Yimalini, how much is it? 250 rand. So that is how you ask the price, and that is how you would state the price. A comment on perhaps the price itself. Iduru. Iduru, it is expensive. Clothes are generally expensive. Iimpahla ziduru. Or clothes are generally cheap. Iimpahla zicheapu. So we have nxiba, wear, khulula, take off, thenga, buy, funa ukuthenga, want to buy. And finally, ukuncoma, ncoma, to praise. Praise what somebody is wearing. Intle lelokhwe. Intle lelokhwe. This dress is beautiful. Intle, it is beautiful. Ndiyayifuna, I want it. Ndiyayifuna, I want it. Complimenting somebody. Intle idyasi yakho. Intle idyasi yakho. Your coat is beautiful. Okay, quite a lot to take in this video. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.